The Magic Paintbrush. Meet Lily, a little girl who loved to paint. Every day she painted animals. Dogs, cats, birds, and even dragons. One sunny afternoon, Lily found a shiny old paintbrush lying in the park. It had golden bristles and sparkled in the sunlight. Lily went home and painted a small blue bird. Suddenly, the bird came to life and flew out of the picture. Excited, Lily painted a red apple. It appeared on her table fresh and juicy. "This paintbrush is magic," she exclaimed. Lily used the magic paintbrush to paint rainbows, butterflies, and flowers, making everyone in her town happy. One day, Lily saw a boy sitting alone in the park, looking very sad. "I lost my dog," he said, tears in his eyes. Lily painted a friendly brown dog. It jumped off the paper and ran to the boy, wagging its tail. The boy was overjoyed. Lily used her magic paintbrush to help people and spread happiness wherever she went. Lily learned that sharing magic and kindness made the world a better place. What would you paint if you had a magic paintbrush?